guys, it's Damien with Board Sports and Outdoors. Today we're just going to cover some different type of knots that you can use while fishing. I believe that they are very, very reliable and very strong if they are tied the right way. So I want to share with you a couple of them that I like. So hopefully, you know, if you're having problems with keeping fish on, or if they're breaking off, this would be probably the perfect way to fix that problem. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Like, share, subscribe. If you have any comments, please comment in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help with any type of tips, tricks, or questions that you may have. Alright, thank you and enjoy. Okay guys, so what I'm using here is regular sewing thread, just to help with visibility. The first one we're going to do here is called a tuck blood knot. So what you're going to do is you're going to run your line through the hole. Excuse me. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring it up. You're going to put your finger through here and kind of make like a gap. And what you're going to do is you're going to wrap it, say 5 times. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what you're going to do is you're going to run it through that loop, like so, and then you're going to put your finger through here and make another loop, as you can see, and you're going to pass that line, that tail end there, back through there, like so. And then you're going to add a little bit of spit to it. And you're going to pull it tight. Cut off your excess, like so. And there you go. That's called the tuck blood knot. Okay, let's get to the next one. Okay, this next one is called a Uni Knot. So, same thing here, you're going to run it through the eye. You're going to give yourself a little bit of slack. You're going to pinch it, like so. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring your tag line back down. Give myself a little bit more. Like so. You're going to pinch it right here. You're going to bring your tag line back down, and you're going to create a little loop, like so. Then you're going to run that through here. We could do it about 4 or 5 times. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then you're going to pull that down. Put a little bit of spit on it. When you pull your main line, it's going to pull it down, like so. And the Uni knot is a pretty simple knot. Cut off your tag line. It's a pretty simple knot, very effective. And that's that. On to the next one. Okay, what we have here now is what we're going to call a Uni Knot. Okay, so what you want to do is run your line through your eye. You're going to bring it down. And what you're going to do is you're going to pinch it off like so. Okay? Then what you want to do is you want to bring your tag line back down and you want to run it over like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to roll them through that hole that you just made with the tag line. You're going to run that around 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to pull it up like so. Okay, so it should look like that. And then what you're going to do is add spit to decrease the friction so you don't hurt your line. And then what you want to do is you want to pull, and your line will actually slide down. Make sure that it's not all twisted. And then you just pull your main line nice and tight. Give your tag line a little bit of a pull too. Make sure everything's in there pretty good. Cut off your tag line there. And that's what you call a Uni Knot. Very simple, very easy to do, and pretty strong. Okay, let's get on to the next one. Okay, the next one here we're gonna call it's called a loop knot, and this is you know, if you don't want your knot to be right up against the eye of the hook. Some people use it for lures and for live bait fish. I guess it gives it a little bit more wiggle room to move freely. So first thing you want to do is you're going to just do a little overhand knot loop here, like so. Give yourself a little bit of wiggle room there. Okay, like that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your hook. Okay. You're going to run it through. Just like so. So you're going to bring it through just like that. Then what you're going to do is run your tag line through that loop. Bring it down so your tag line and your main line are both parallel. So it should look something like this. Okay. So then what you're going to do is you're going to pinch that part right there, and you're going to start wrapping around your line. We'll go 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put this through the little hole and bring it down. Just like so. Then you're going to put some spit on it, and you're going to pull that tight. Just like that. Now, I wouldn't recommend that much. This is just for demonstration. just to show you how it works. Cut your tag line off again, and that's what you call your loop knot. So it basically gives yourself some wiggle, but you wouldn't need it that big. You can get away with maybe something like that, just so the hook can move freely on your line. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, the next one we have here is called the snailed hook line. Okay, so what you want to do is you're going to run it through the eye. Give yourself like a good 4 to 6 inches. You're going to wrap it back around like so. You're going to pinch that right there. You're going to take your line here and you're going to wrap it around the shank. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do 6. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab that loop that you just made. You're going to put the line through that loop. Okay? And you're going to pull on your main line, add some spit, and pull that tight. Cut off your tag line there. Like so. It's a little longer than I want it to be, but it's hard to cut this stuff. Pull it nice and tight. And that's a snailed hook. Or a snailed knot. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, the next one we have here is called the Albright Knot, which is basically connecting 2 lines together to create 1 line. Whether you're hooking a leader up or, you know, anything of that sort, basically. So what you want to do is you want to make a loop like so. Then you want to take your leader line, or as some call it, the trace line. You're going to run that through the loop, like this. You're going to pinch that between the fingers as well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to roll this tag end here around all 3 lines that you have in your fingers. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll leave it with 8. And you want to run it back through this loop here, like so. And then what you want to do is slowly pull these 2 together. Just like that. Pull tight. And you're going to cut your tags off. just like so, and it's pretty strong. What I usually do when clipping my tag lines off, I don't like to go too close just because it may pull out. So what I do is I'll take like a knife, heat a knife up, and melt those down. I try not to use open flame because you can weaken your main line. So that's a better way to do that part. Or if you have you know, nail clippers, something that you can get kind of close with, but not too close. But so that's your Albright knot, and that connects two lines together. Alright, on to the next one. Okay, next one here is going to be called the offshore trolling knot. You're going to start off first with a surgeon's knot. With this one, you can actually make it as long as you want to give yourself the advantage. Having a longer setup is easier or more effective. So I'm going to show it to you in a smaller way for demonstration purposes. So first thing you want to do is loop it over. You're going to do your surgeon's knot. So basically that's just an overhand knot. You're going to run that through here, but you're going to do that 2 times. Okay. So 2 times. And then what you want to do is pull that nice and tight. Okay, so that's your surgeon's knot. Then what you want to do is you're going to take your end here, make sure that you make these 2 equal. You're going to pinch that together. You're going to run that through your eye hook. When you pull this through the eye, it's going to look something like this. Okay. What you want to do is you want to twist it. Bring it up like so. So you want it to look like this. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your hook or your barrel swivel and you're going to roll it through here. So you're going to go through both lines. Like so. Okay, and what that's going to do is that's going to twist up that loop you made and your main line. Okay? So then what you want to do is add some spit to it. And then you want to gently ease it down. You can use your thumb. And just keep pulling till that knot's nice and tight. Then you take both lines here like so. Just keep pulling it till it's nice and tight. And there you go. It's called an offshore trolling knot. Pretty easy. It's not really one that I would use too much. Basically what happens is when you do it this way, if you catch something that say has the sharper teeth, what can happen is having a single line, you can what do you call it? The fish can bite through that line. So what happens here is that even say you lose one of these lines, the fish breaks through and it bites that line. Okay, so you're stuck with one line. So that one line will still hold. You know, it's kind of like a safety net basically. If the fish happens to get through one side, you still have the other side to protect you and still bring in that fish. So it's very effective when you're using it for, you know, bigger fish that have sharper teeth and stuff like that. So it's very effective. Alright, on to the next one. Okay, last one here. We're going to do the Palomar knot. So what you're going to do is take your line, fold it over a couple inches, pinch that together. Okay, you're going to go through the eye of the hook, like so. And you're basically going to do like an overhand knot. So you're going to go under, you're going to go under, and then over. Bring that line back down around, and what you're going to do is put that over the hook, like so. Put some spit on it. And then pull tight. And that's the Palomar knot. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. There's other ways that you would like to see. Be sure to comment in the comment section below, and I'd be more than happy to help you guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.